Okay, good morning. What's your name?
I'm Alvame Esbal.
Okay. Say anything about yourself for 2 minutes. Just say anything. Anything you want.
3 weeks from now, I'm single, but now I'm doubtful because my ex approaches me again yesterday, and I don't know what I'm going to say. Said he missed me a lot, but that last night I can sleep because I think over and over again. So
Why are you not looking at my eyes?
because I'm too shy.
Don't be shy.
Oh, she feels like crying.
Yeah.
I'm bad different. You see me crying, but you see me crying. See me smiling, but deep inside I'm totally dying.
Why? Because of him? Is it that worth?
Yeah, they say that it's not my loss, but I think
What you think?
it's gonna be my loss.
That all?
Not
You can
because,
say
not because doesn't mean that he's my loss. I give everything.
What's his name?
He's too shy to say his name.
Why? I thought you're proud of him.
Not so proud. Just call him.
Is that all?
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, thank you.